What's on, and welcome back, and thank you for joining me for episode 21. It's a big week for me this week. This week marks anniversary of a whole year of living on the water and on board the boat. Not all of it on my boat. First couple of months were on my parents' boat, and I didn't start the videos until moving on to mine, but it is a year since I actually moved onto the water, which I'm really chuffed about, and in that time probably only spent 6 or 7 nights on shore, and only 2 of them since Christmas, so that's been rather good to say that I've made the transition over really nicely. I thought for this video what I'd do is just do a little bit different. I'd have a look back over the last 20 odd videos, show a few of the friends that I've been out with, the family that I've been out with, some of the sailing and some of the other bits and bobs that I've been up and doing, and just have a little look back before going into next week's or next time's video and showing you some of the more mundane bits about living on board, like doing the washing when it's raining and things like that. So I'll let you have a watch. Hopefully you'll enjoy, as I will, just looking back and seeing what I've been up to for the past year, and I'll join you at the end. Thank you very much. think I've had a pretty good year. Looking back at that sort of 16 or 17 minutes of video there, I think I've been very lucky. I've got lots of good family, lots of good friends, all that have been a big part of this year, which has made this year more than bearable and has very much made it a case of living the dream. So thank you to everybody that's been down. Thanks for watching. I know I haven't done half of the things that I set out to accomplish, but you know what? I've got plenty of time. Roll on for next year gives me something to look forward to for doing then. So hopefully you'll continue to join me. Like I said, another video going up in the next week, 10 days. I've already had another set of friends that came down sailing with me yesterday. So I look forward to putting that up, and yeah, look forward to bringing you lots more. Thank you very much. Keep safe, stay well, and see you next time. Thank you.